Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. The Google Pixel 9 is here and it's might just be the smartphone of 2025. Yeah, powers everything tuning, new dashing and upgraded that actually matter. But it is worth your money? Let's breaking down. So let's go. First up the display. Google has stepped up with a 6.3-inch OLED TPO OLED panel. Smoother than you were at 120 Hz refresh rate. Bright, vibrant and perfect for scrolling or beginning watching. Plus thinner bezels and stronger titanium frame, giving a premium feel without the premium price. Google's Pixel camera are legendary, and the Pixel 9 doesn't disappoint a 50MP main sensor. Upgraded ultra-wide and improved zoom capability, but the real magic? AI-powered photography instantly remove photo bombers or just lighting up to do snap a pic. And even create AI-generated slow motion after that. Crazy, right? Under the hood, the new Tensor G4 chip is faster and more efficient. Snappy performance, better head management, and smoother multitasking. Smarter assistant features and even AI-generated wallpapers that change your based on your mood. Speaking of AI, Google is all in. The Pixel 9 has the best call screening way to real time. AI summarize for messages and emails. And even the features where it can hold call for you like having a personal assistant, but without the salary. Battery life a solid all day. Perform with smart adaptive charging. And its faster 30-watt wireless charging and improved wireless charging make topping up easier than you are. So should you buy the Pixel 9? If you love AI-driven features, amazing cameras and clean Android, it's a no-brainer. But if you are coming from the Pixel 8, you might want to hold off unless AI magic is your thing. What do you think? What the upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want our gadget reviews, I'm to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.